Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. This is your friend John, okay? So look guys, I'm in a place, here. So what's the address? Yeah, address kya brother? 136 136, right? Okay, 136 what? Ravinder Seni. 136 Ravinder Seni. Okay, so I'm here guys. Look how they make this, samosa. Okay, this is the delicacy of Kolkata. Okay, people love eating this. It's called the Singara. All right, look guys. So basically, this one is made out of flour. Okay, they roll that and they put, put the potato as the stuffing, right? And they mix this potato with different Indian spice. As you can see, the color has changed, right? And yeah, so apart from that, they even sell this. What is this? ये वाला क्या भाई? Flurry. It's किससे बनाते हैं? Okay, this one is made out of basin. All right. And look, guys, after this thing is done, after he fills the stuff the potato inside and the stuffing and comes out like this. It's called the samosa. So right now this brother is frying pyaji. It's made out of onion. Look, this is like pre-fried. They're gonna deep fry this later. All right, so right now the weather is like this. It's raining, right? It's raining. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. So let's see guys. Okay, so right now it's raining. Look guys. All right, so yeah, so this is the first stage. He puts the stuffing, comes out like this, okay, and then he deep fries this in the oil and it comes out like this. All right, it's called the samosa. In Kolkata it's called Singara. All right, and they even sell jalebi, right? Look, हाँ बिल्कुल सीधी जलेबी और अभी क्या बना रहा हो? What are you making?
मैदा
Oh, okay. Look guys, so he's rolling the dough like that, right? And he rolls the dough like this and he puts the stuffing, right? Look guys, so if you've seen anything like this, you let me know in the comment, right? Yeah, and right now it's raining. Look,
भाई बाजारी को रिकॉर्ड करिए, दिखाइएगा अभी देखिए पूरा आवाज दिखाइएगा।
all right guys, okay, I will leave them alone. Okay, let them do what they do the best. Okay, so yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, please bye bye guys, thank you. If you enjoyed the vlog, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button, and if you're watching on Facebook, please follow. All right, so look guys, right now it's raining. Look, okay. So yeah, that was it. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.